Hello, my name's Norm. I'm with the Horne Auto Group. Today we're going to talk a little bit about windshield wipers and the importance of windshield wipers and the safety factor on them. Typically easily done. You'll want to raise it away from the windshield. Now take in mind, you always want to hold on to this metal rail, because what has a habit to happen is when you squeeze, extend your forefinger and thumb, grab it with your left hand, continue rotating, and slide off. It's a little catch loop there. When you have your new wiper blade, you want to make sure that the attachment is the same and the product is a high quality. If you save money on wiper blades, you're going to change them more frequently, where if you pay a little bit more, get a better quality, you're going to get that 6-month last out of it. Again, when you want to reconnect them, and there's many different ways to do it, you'll make a letter T out of it, put it in the slot, rotate it around, and again squeeze the two clips together and just snap it into place. Put the wiper back down and you'll know it's attached. You can tug on it. If it comes off, obviously you didn't get it clipped in right. And that's all there really is to changing wiper blades, other than running the function, watching how the new wipers are. So again, if it smudges, smears, streaks, stutters, or squeaks, that's typically time to replace it. So remember, if you like this video, like or subscribe, and always comment below. Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more.